So what we're working on is a really special cake that we're making for National Geographic Channel. They have their final episode of the season of Wicked Tuna, so we're creating a sculpted wave cake, big ocean wave plus one of their fishing boats on the top. And the fun thing is that it's the final episode, so nobody knows who's going to be the winner of the show, the winning crew of the boat, or which boat. So the boat that's going to be on top is going to be the winner, and that's going to be revealed at their big watching party, viewing party. So it's going to be a sculpted wave, and the whole thing altogether is going to be about 150 servings. So we have about 100 or 120 servings in the wave itself. So that'll be pretty tall, maybe close to 10 inches tall for the wave itself of just solid cake. And then on top of that is going to be the boat, and the boat is going to be cake on this front half, and then the rest of it, since it has to look like, you know, a person can stand in and then they have the walls around them, that's just going to be decoration, but the front half of the boat is definitely going to be cake. So you have chocolate Oreo on top, and then vanilla on the bottom, and I don't know. So the wave cake was hard to sculpt. It was a sheet cake, but it was abstract, but it had to read as a wave, and it was mostly a mound, and my brain and my eyes, my brain wanted to see a cake and my eyes were just seeing a lump, and it was very difficult and super time consuming. I think it took several hours to get the shape actually what I wanted it to be. So it needed to be a sloping wave, like a wave tsunami thing moving forward, and so I needed the side waves to have a slight slant forward so that it looked like a moving wave, and then a gentle slope in the back so it looked like it was coming out of the water, because it is water. And then all my extra cutoffs I was able to use and not have a whole lot of waste, because I can use all those cutoffs as the extra sloping part of the wave, which worked out really well. And then I had that awkward little nub in the front of the cake, and it kind of looks like a sloth crawl out of the water, actually, now that I look at it. So any excuse to marble fondant is amazing. Marbling fondant is one of my favorite things, because it's different every single time, and you just get those half dozen different colors, swirls, and roll those all together, twist it a little bit, twist it the other way a little bit, and then you just guess, like, this is fine. Once it goes through the sheeter, it's going to be, you never know what's going to happen. What I did try to do for this specifically is get the lines to be the same direction, because I had to do 2 pieces of fondant to cover the wave, half and half. So the lines going one direction needed to go the same direction on the other piece. That way it read as one cohesive wave and not just, you know, you can't have two different currents in one wave. So then the other piece, I tried to get the lines to go the same direction. So my marbling was fantastic, but I also wanted to add some more dimension, so I went back and added some blue airbrush color to parts of the wave to give it more depth, and kind of like when you see through water, you see different layers of blue and different depths. So I like how it turned out, but I probably got a little bit too carried away and covered up too much. But in the end, it totally worked, because once you get really close up, you can still see the marbling underneath.